Miss Golden Girl here. Day one of this wintry storm, ice, here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. It's around 3:05 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm reporting another update. The ice on my window is melting, but looking at the cars out in the parking lot of my apartment, and they still got ice on them. Looking down at the ground right here, I think that's ice. I thought it was snow earlier, but I think that's ice. Don't know how long I'll be hunkered in, but I will be hunkered in. So far, we still have power, no problem with the power. I hear the furnace in the apartment, though, working a little extra harder, though. Oh, I'm looking out. I see cars going by. There's a main street up there. Yeah, I see movement. Wow. There goes a car. See, in between those apartment buildings there is a main street. Uh-oh, I see a person. Let's see if I can get them in. Yep, there they are right there. We have a lot of pet owners here in this apartment community. So I don't know if they're out walking their pet or they're going somewhere. All right, until later.